Hey everyone, how are you? You want to make your equations stand out clearly in your Word document? In this step-by-step tutorial, you will learn how to enlarge equation in Microsoft Word so they look clean, professional and easy to read for assignments, research paper or presentations. Whether you are a student, teacher or office user, this quick guide will save your time and make your document look more polished. So let's get started. At first you have to open your document. We can see here my assignment. Now I insert the equation to this page. Go to the insert menu. Click this equation drop down menu. We can see here many equation. Now I select this quadratic formula. Then select the text, click and drag on our mouse. Go back the home menu and increase the font size. You can increase or decrease the font size using many way. Now we can see we make our equation to big very easily. Now you can small and big the equation. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than video very soon. Thanks for watching.